driving away. Maybe I'll give it more gas, throttle higher, but yeah, we're just driving away in the country with our bales. I'll let you guys see. Look at all the trees out there. That's pretty impressive. Oh, no trees there. No trees there. No. Just all farmland. Maybe the odd tree around a yard. Interestingly, if you can see right on the horizon, that's the Great Divide where the water goes on this side, it goes to the Hudson Bay, and on the other side, which is Frenchman River is what they call it, but the old timers call it the White Mud. It goes to the Mississippi and to the Gulf of Mexico, so it all, yeah. I think that's the only river. There might be another one in Canada that goes south. So that's a little interesting tidbit. I got my phone upside down. Frank's going faster at this load. I think I was in first. I guess I can put it in second. Just throw it, yeah. Zoom in, there you go. I'll see stuff on there. He's made it to the trail, which is actually a road allowance. And let's see, I'll get it to focus on Frank. He's disappearing in the dust. It's dry again. You guys getting all that rain? It's dry here. Probably the next rain we'll get will be snow, I'm thinking, but hopefully it'll melt again. Not this week, they're not predicting anything, but next week, so. See a little bit. Should look at what I'm doing. Nobody's coming. Could be somebody coming. What time is it? 4:45. The sun's like that. Ew. A little rough. Rough. And yes, we're getting onto the road. Good enough. I think I'll say goodbye for now, because we're just putting all the way home. And I believe Frank will win this race, because A, he doesn't know that we're racing, but yeah, I'm pretty sure he'll win it, so we'll see you next time. Bye.